What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Classic Mustangs 429. As you may have seen, there's been quite the variety in the sense of cars on the channel recently. That's because a few of you have been asking about some of the cars in the background from previous videos, so I thought I'd share them with you. So on today's episode, we will discuss a car that we bought quite a while ago. It's a solid Texas 1969 Firebird 400. Now this is where things get interesting. The owner that we bought it off of said the engine was blown. No, not that type of blown. The bad type of blown. Knowing the history of Pontiac engines, they tend to have bad oiling systems. So we were kind of hoping that the worst case scenario would be a spun bearing. We'd need to take the crank out, re-and-re the crank, and line hone it. That would have been the best scenario. So we did a little digging, and this is what we found.
Let's see what's going on in here. Hopefully no metal shards. Okay. Super dirty. That's for sure. So usually when I drain oil, the oil level is somewhere halfway on this line. The Firebird, all the way down here on the first rib. Okay, so I poured it into a 1 gallon pail or 3.78 liter jug, and that's all she had. That's all the oil that was in the car. But by looking at this, I would assume the bearings are cooked, as 400s already have a problem with their bearings. So I could just imagine what 2 liters of oil does. Yeah, I think she's shiny.
With a ton of projects on our plate already, we trailered the car down to my uncle's to have the engine removed and dismantled for further inspection. And this is where things get pretty ugly.
So here's the carnage off of the other 400. Now that used to be a cam. Jesus. Obliterated. Good old bent push rod. That's some Dylan McCool action right there. Whew.
So I'll check out the Mach 1 and see if there was a better way around all this.
Jesus. That's bad, man. Oh.
After seeing that carnage, we went hunting for some poncho parts. After making a few phone calls and scouring the local classifieds, we went on to looking at quite a few engines and parts. We talked with a couple of gentlemen. One gentleman already had sold his parts to a gentleman overseas where he brought a shipping container and loaded it full of Pontiac parts to go overseas to France. Another one, we went all the way up 3 to 4 hours up north to look at an engine which ended up having internal problems itself, so we passed on that. Then we went to another gentleman's house and purchased 4 to 5 sets of complete heads rebuilt. We also purchased a short block 400, a 400 block itself, and a rotating assembly. On the very same day, we drove a couple more hours and located another 400 complete engine with another transmission that we loaded up.
Will do. A little more to me.
I like it.
I got it. Okay, you're good. Beauty. 3 Pontiac engines in one day. Why not, right? 400, 400, 400. Here we go. Should be able to make 1 out of 3 good ones. Oh, it's gonna rain. Got her all taped up just in case. Alright, so just at my uncle's house, dropping off one of the engines, the red one. And we gotta boost the car. Alright, let's do it. Pumper, come on, let's go.
There's no stroke.
Pump it. You got like half an inch each pump. Come on, faster.
She's a leaker.
She's a leaker.
She's a leaker.
Oh, we're just dropping off the, we'll call this the red Pontiac, off of my uncle's house for the '69 Firebird. Those pumps are getting slower.
Yeah, she's building resistance.
Look at that. Look at those forearms. Look at those forearms. Just, yeah, there we go. Work it.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, now we're talking. Yeah, you're clear. Just clear that tire. Yep, you're good. That low profile. Love it.
Forward.
Move the trailer.
Take that engine stand off.
Here she is. Soon to be Pontiac Blue.
We're gonna breathe new life in her.
That's it. Look at that stand. Beauty. Alright, so got the engine out with the engine stand with no casters. I'm not sure whose brilliant idea that was, not to put any casters on this thing. But you basically just got to bear it and force it into submission. But supposedly it's a 70 block, 68 heads. I don't know what you Pontiac guys, there's like 1 and a 6, something like that. I don't know. 2-barrel intake. We have a 4-barrel there. We also have a 4-barrel off of the original 400 engine, which is going to go on the engine. So that's coming off. Quick hone job. Spice her back together. Toss her in. So this is my uncle's 1969 Mustang. Grabber blue, fastback.
Okay, wants it in the big garage.
Firebird Trail, listen to that. That's awesome. We just dropped off the 400 at my uncle's place, and now we're turning on to Firebird Drive, or Firebird Trail. Right on. Oh, damn. We now have a GT350 Jeep. That's it. I dig it. Let's get some rivets. Put her on. Good old stubborn plugs. Ain't nothing a little heat won't take care of.
Red hot. You can see it getting red hot. Hey, you see it there?
Changed up our game plan a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Hit the other side a little bit.
We're going to do this without hitting the cold water on it, just to see if flames kicking out from the oil. Or is that the fuel pump?
I don't know. That should be good.
That's it.
Yeah, that should be good.
Put her in there. Oh, get the WD. Get the WD.
Hold on. That's good.
There it is.
Oh,
there
yeah.
it is.
We're good. We're good.
There it is. WhatsApp that.
WhatsApp?
WhatsApp that to Zeodom. Bingo. It's that easy, folks, when you have the right tools. Point to the torch.
There it is.
The right tools.
The right tools for the job. Now we gotta get
Look, and the right tool operating.
that one down there.
Way down there. Want some light on it?
That should get down there.
You know the beauty of this one?
Oh yeah, that's good.
The beauty of this one is that you can heat You can heat the head of it. You just text Seal down. Okay, we're going home.
We're done.
We're done.
I wonder how long you battled that for.
I told you, when you have the right tools, it's a 10-minute job. You have to have patience, son.
Can't really see. I need to see.
Yeah, it was getting
I know,
hot.
but I need to see the other side. So the thing is here. Trying to get the heat onto the other side, right?
You got one side completely blocked. Guess I try to go through here. Okay, try with the torch there, see. With the gentleman. Want me to do it?
Yep, she's
Yeah.
coming.
Okay. Okay, let me heat the other side now. Hang on.
1 sec.
Good?
No, that's good. It's good. Yeah.
Bingo.
There's 2. Is there one more that we had to do? Is that it? Is that honestly it? This is gonna drop out somewhere. I don't want. Oh. There she is. I don't know if you can see that. That one. And that one. A little debris there. That's it.
We'll get a cup of coffee. Open the door. Yeah, we're gonna have our cup of coffee. He's gonna take a picture.
Done.
Okay, we're done. He's probably saying you cracked the block. No,
Nope.
plugs are out.
So the reason we switched up plans for this guy and to this one was because this one spreads pressure. Whoops. Sorry.
As you turn it
This one spreads pressure
counterclockwise.
outside.
It's
So
a
we didn't
reverse
want to
thread.
ruin this by
Cracking
expanding it too much and cracking this little boss, I guess you would call it. So we went back to the old method of this, and she worked no problem. All done.
With a thorough cleanup, fresh hone, new rings, new bearings, new cam and lifter package, all new gaskets, and all new plug set, along with a fresh coat of paint, my uncle ended up building a solid running 400 engine out of all the parts. This is the first drive after the break-in period, followed by us picking it up.
You tell him.
Hey, come get your car.
Yeah, you're good. Loading up some parts and bringing everything home. Now that the car is all done and driving, engine's all built, and I believe that's the original one.
little more. Okay. It's a squeaky trailer. It's definitely not the brakes. This thing's a cruiser. Got a posi too. Sweet. That was with ease. Well, there she is, the 69 Camaro Firebird 400. It's got a fresh rebuilt Pontiac 400, courtesy of my Uncle Dom. Just a little winter project for him to work on, and he's overachieved here. Got it running for us, got it all good driving on the street. Now time to, I don't know, drive it, list it. We'll see what happens, but it's a nice car. Power steering. But definitely a nice cruiser. Definitely feels like it has a shift kit in it. Chirps the gears in first and second.
We are live. This is Classic Mustangs 429. I'm Joe, he's Mike. This is B.
Hey guys.
He's our new recruit. B is for Brandon. Don't get it mistaken for Brian. It's B for Brandon. Anyway, we just put a fresh 400 in here, thanks to brother D, brother Dom, and we're just enjoying a pleasure cruise here.
2-speed?
Huh?
2-speed?
Is it? Shifts you get. You just get accustomed to the car. So we're gonna see if it's a 2-speed or a 3-speed. I'm sure it's a 3-speed for 1969. It's 2.
3-speed. That is 3-speed.
Man, I find you everywhere.
Hey, your horn needs some work. I'm coming.
Let's go.
All right.
Alright, so Dad just pulled the cam out of the original 400. As Derek would say, it's factory.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're 7 and 8.
Oh boy.
We're missing 7, 8. Oh, wait a minute.
Hold on.
There it is.
It's still in there.
Yes, it is.
Pull her on out then.
1 second. It's moving, so it doesn't look like it's lodged.
There she is.
I think I'm just gonna get a pry bar.
See her down there? There's all the lifters. Pretty grummy. It's lodged.
Something's holding her back. Maybe the crank or something. No.
Maybe a rod.
Oh, is that a broken rod?
Oh, it might be.
Oh, it is. You see something holding up?
It's a broken rod. No. I'm just.
Let's see.
That's fine. It's fine.
Where?
There. There. Come on, you can probably see it up.
Oh yeah. Oh boy. There you are.
There she is.
There you are.
Anyways,
Okay. We don't need that anymore.
we don't need it anymore.
We need just a block.
Should make some cool decoration.
That was the block.
Paperweight. Alright, so Dad got the other part of the cam out of the block. Let's go mate it up to the other junk ones. Oh, we're still missing a piece or two. Let's go look in the scrap bin, aka the oil pan. Let's see, where is she? Oh, there she is. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know which way's which, but something like that. Should we weld it back together and try and make it work?
Why not? Give it a go. Everything's worth a shot.
Yeah, maybe not that one.
How many years hasn't this crank been turned over?
The crank?
Yeah, it's been lodged in this position.
Yeah, that's true.
God knows how long.
What else do we got in here? Yeah, that looks like a connecting rod or end cap. Well, that was a windage tray. Here's the old timing chain. Good old plastic gear. What else do we got? Lots of carnage. Obviously. Oh, there's another.
Oh, nice chunks. Chunks. Here we are.
That's still good.
Here's our crank turner.
That's still good. Oh yeah. Ouch. It's fine. It's fine. She'll be running in no time. Anything else? Oh, we got more here. Oh, I got a bolt. I got the bolt. Alright, Dad needs the bolt. There you go. There's the bolt.
That little bit of rust is holding her back from gliding in. You see how it's already
Yeah.
cleaning it off? You need, and it has to be perfectly clean in order to get that on there.
Alright, so we put the dampener back on and the bolt.
The extend the arm.
The big old
Extend the arm.
2-foot breaker bar. We're just going to see if this crank still wants to turn, because we're basically just going to be disassembling it, so trying to get the pistons to ride up and down the cylinder smoothly, just so we don't have to knock them to extreme hell. So you got that?
I got it.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Is it moving?
Yes it is. Oh yeah. Okay. Go
Other
the
way?
Yeah. Or you want me to do it? Let me see if I can do it.
Just hold it. Ready?
Yeah. All right.
Okay, she's turning.
She's turning. Get a little SOS in that in the cylinder. We'll clean up the little bit of rust while it was sitting idle for so long.
Which way do you want it?
Leave it the way it was.
Which way, that way?
Whichever way. Just leave it, and we'll see if we can work some magic into this cylinder.
All good, all good. What the? Oh boy. Dad, how's it going?
Oh, it's all right. Did you say you want 10 over or 20 over? I'm at 10 over right now.
I think it was 30 actually.
30?
Yeah.
I'll be here all afternoon then.
All right, we'll see you tonight.
All right. Let me know when dinner's ready. This is number 7.
Number 7.
Number 7. Not so lucky. Not so lucky.
Not so lucky.
Literally
Number
the
7.
shoulder was bent the other way. And I don't even know. You would just think that it's gonna grenade and that's it. But look at the heat.
It kept spinning.
She must have had a lot of
Look
heat.
how many times I got pounded.
No oil, I guess. And sayonara. The last 2 cylinders always take the brunt because where's the oil gonna go first? 1 through 8. The back 2 cylinders. Ciao. Gone. Okay. 7's out.
Here comes number 8.
Here comes number 8. Okay. Push. Push.
Stop.
Here it comes.
Here comes Dad.
Here it comes. Here it comes. There we go.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
It's a boy.
You have a new baby. He got no leg though. He got no leg.
Oh, good.
Clean off.
Snapped.
So this one is severely overheated. Look at the color difference. Severely overheated. No oil. Guy ran out of oil.
Yeah. What do we pull out?
Frickin' schlep.
Not even a liter.
Schlep.
Oh boy. Let's see that. Let's see that side. How bad's that? Oof.
That's nothing. That's nothing. We can wire wheel that.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this week's episode of Classic Mustangs 429. If you like what you saw, please hit that like and subscribe button below to support the channel. Until next week, Mike from Classic Mustangs 429 signing out. It's gotta be the loudest blinker I've ever heard in my life. Just kidding. That's the brake switch.